Number 99. A local store is offering a 20% discount on all items purchased this weekend. William buys a pair of running shoes for $89. What is the sale price of this item before any sales tax is added? So we're just adding a discount. Let's use the formula that we talked about in the previous problem. The new price is going to be 1 plus or minus r times the original price. Since we're dealing with a discount, should we use positive r or negative r? Since it's going to decrease the total value of what we're going to pay, we need to use negative r. So it's going to be 1 minus. Now the rate is 20%. 20% as a decimal, if you divide 20 by 100, you're going to get 0.20. And the original price for the shoes is $89. 1 minus 0.20, that is 0.80. So if you take off 20%, you're trying to find what 80% of 89 is. That's what we're doing now. 100% of 89 is 89. So if you get a 20% discount, that means you need to pay 80% of 89. So that's why we're multiplying it by 0.80. 89 times 0.80 is 71.2. So the final price before any sales tax is $71.20.